mangeny are there. These people can't afford these other sectors because they go for this health services mabedo provided government, which are also low. Okay? What can we do? Number one, nyakwa ensure ni wa empower G. Mondo ji mangeny oyud yore maginyalo access go better health facilities, better health services.
So empowerment niti meyo machal nade?
Through employment.
Through
employment, that is one. Two, even through employment, when you look direct employment, my government create, or when you look create a conducive environment to enable people, employed to create their own employment. I've always said, especially Kakasani, there are a lot of opportunities in the digital space. Digital space, jimangen, okunge yoni opportunities nitie. Si entiji serikal, mondo come up, mondo migida infuse this information to G. G thindo mangeny mano tieko form 4, mano tieko colleges, mano tieko universities, and can access laptops and smartphones. You see, these people can be trained, mondo migi yudo opportunities gi. Nikech ji moko kuomgi can use AI. Moko kuomgi can use YouTube. Moko kuomgi can create a lot of creativity within the digital space. Manyalo miyo gi yud yore. And some mangeny kuomgi chiemo through those means. Okay? Koro kwanyalo ensure that this information is with the young people, mondo young people gi OT, mondo benefit. It can also help to create our employment. The only unfortunate thing, instead of government mondo meyo empower jogi, they bring up digital service tax. You know? Koro mano e kama tabu wantie. Our priorities are not to empower. Our priority is to generate.
Erokomana yenya hakeni kwa medo bende ko tende ko ramnage finance bill nikech kinde ka kinde karamna chayo kintiere county ma Kisumu kanyo kinde ka kinde waka ne yo matene ko duogo to bende babro bedo kwat wak bende ko tende kod paro mar chik